Struggling to keep your stock organized? Discover the best inventory management solutions that can streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and save your money. From cutting edge software to essential strategies, find out what works the best for your business and take control of your inventory today. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you which platform is the best inventory management software. So, to get started, all I have to do is just dive into zoho.com, square.com if you want this one, udo.com, and we have sortly.com, then we have bittrex24.com. This is the last one. So let's talk about the first one, which is Zoho. So Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of over 45 integrated applications, making it a one-stop solution for various business needs. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features ensure quick adoption and tailored functionality. With competitive pricing and cloud-based access, it's accessible for businesses of all sizes. Plus, robust customer support helps users maximize their experience effortlessly. So if you want to just sign up, you click over get started for free, or you click over sign up over here, and you will find this page. As you can see, you have just to write your email address, your password, then you go to your teams and you get started signing up for free with Zoho. So this is it for Zoho. We have here other information that you should to know it about Zoho. So we have here Zoho for enterprise experience to breadth and depth of the Zoho ecosystem with the professional services, infrastructure, support, and security that a large business needs. Streamline complex business processes, build strong relationships with your customers, and drive growth at scale. If we scroll down, we'll find here privacy is our responsibility. Then we have here the core values and principles that drives us. So here we have long-term commitment, focus on research and development, customer first philosophy. So we have just to click over sign up now and you get started with this platform, which is zoho.com. Then we have here square.com. So Square offers a user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. Its comprehensive tools cover everything from invoicing to inventory management, all accessible via mobile. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, businesses can easily manage costs. Plus, robust analytics provide valuable insights to drive growth and improve decision making. So this is square.com. To get started, you have just to click over get started here and you will find this page. As you can see, so let's create your account. Signing up for Square is fast and free commitments or long-term contracts required. So we have just to write your email address, your password, then you choose your local and you click over I agree to the Square terms and privacy policy and assign consent. Then you click over continue and you will find our page, which is the platform that you can get started with it on square.com. So here we have it. All right, so this is it for square.com. Then we have here udo.com. So udo provides an all-in-one solution with a comprehensive suite of applications for CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. Its customizable models allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs with a user-friendly interface. Odoo ensures quick onboarding and easy navigation, plus its scalable design makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, enhancing productivity as you grow. So about Odoo, you can just click over start now. It's for free, as you can see. So you have just to choose your apps, free instant access, no credit card required. So we have here various options. For example, the first one, which is website here. So we choose a visit website, e-commerce, e-learning, or live chat. Then we have here also sales, such as CRM, sales, invoicing, sign, point of sale, restaurant, subscriptions, rental, file service. Then we have here operations, accounting, help desk, knowledge, project, timesheets, and we have inventory, purchase, documents as well. Then we have manufacturing on such as manufacturing, PLM, maintenance, quality, and repair. Then we have marketing, human resource, and customization as well. Then you click over try for free and you get started with this one. Then you click over continue. Once you that you'll find this page and you have to link your first and last name, email, website name, and your phone number, your country, and you choose the language. Then you click over start now. By clicking on start now, you accept our subscription agreement and privacy policy as well. So this is it for Odoo.com. You can just get started with this one. It's very helpful and useful as well. So all this platform is very helpful and useful, but let's just discover which one is more better. Then we have here Sortly. So Sortly features a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management with visual catalogs and customizable labels. Its mobile app allows for on-the-go tracking, making it convenient for businesses. With flexible organization options, users can tailor the system to meet their specific inventory needs. So to get started, you have just to click over start a free trial and you'll find this page as you can see. So never lose track of an item again. Simple, fast and powerful inventory software for businesses and teams to stay organized. So you click over sign up with Google, or you can use other option, which is sign up with your email address. You write your full name, your work email, your and correct password. Then you click over create account. So this is for Sortly. Then we have here Bittrex. So Bittrex 24 provides a comprehensive suite of tools, combining CRM, project management, and communication features in one platform. Its user-friendly interface enhances team collaboration and productivity, making workflow smoother with a flexible pricing model, including a free version it caters to business of all sizes. So to get started, you click over start for free and you'll find this page and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with Bittrex 24. So about the pricing of each one, we have here Bittrex 24. It's absolutely for free, as you can see. We have here one 5 GB unlimited users. Then we have also here Sortly pricing. We have it's for free. We have 100 unique items and we have one user license as well. Then we have Odoo. About the pricing, it's absolutely for free as well. So here we have for one application only, limited users, Odoo online. Then we have here Square. Also we have it's absolutely for free. So if I had to pick one, Zoho would be, as you can see, we have free, would be the best offer. So let's choose one of them. So I think Zoho it's better. So if I had to pick one, Zoho would be the best overall choice for its comprehensive sort of integrated applications that cater to various business needs, including CRM, project management, and finance. It's versatile, customizable, and suitable for businesses of all sizes. So that's my opinion. You can just choose the one you want, or do you want depending on your the thing that you want on those platforms. So I think Soho it's better for me.